Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Beauty Diaries with Sav. I'm Soumya here and today's look is about a simple makeup look. I have used my moisturizer as a primer here. So moving on to the foundation. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 330. Dotting it all over the face and neck. Blending it well with the damp beauty blender. Blend it really well. Now you may see a white cast, but later on it will give a skin-like finish. This foundation oxidizes well. Blend it really well to get that skin-like finish. Never forget eyes and hairline. I am using foundation as concealer also, so dotting it on my patches and pigmented marks so that it will act like a concealer. Blend your neck area really well or else it would look awkward. Now blending the foundation, I am not dragging the product, I am just blending it to get that coverage. Since it's a minimal product, I am not using any powder to set them. I am using here one eyeshadow palette, Wet n Wild. I am taking the dark brown shade. Now moving on to eyes, I am using Lakme Insta liner. I did a basic liner and then used the same product to define my eyelids. Now I am using Lakme Lip and Cheek Color Tint in the shade Plum Feather. Now dotting on my cheeks and then later blending it with my fingers. Again in this same palette you have an highlighting shade. No makeup is complete without a highlighter. I am highlighting mainly on the highest points like forehead, cheekbone, nose and chin. Guys, this is my first video, so please subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot for me. Now blending everything well with the same beauty blender. I'm ending the look with a windy. So see you later in another video. Thanks for watching.